Hey, God bless you, my friend and sister Sharon. And today we are having a sale when you purchase any of my brand new floral botanical garden soap bars. You will get a free washcloth. These are amazing, friends. For those that don't know, flowers help to exfoliate the skin, helps to moisten the skin, and flower petals are antioxidants. So this is our rose soap bar. The soap bar to the right, the yellow flowers are calendula. The orange soap bar is where the flower petals are topping it off, is orange tiger lily flower petals. And then the purple, which is one of my favorites, it is wild tulip petals, purple wild tulip petals. So friends, if you want to grab a free washcloth today, we are still fundraising. We will always be fundraising for our initiative of Handmade Soaps for Hope. You get 3 free bars of our activated charcoal when you purchase any one purchase that you make. You get the 3 bars of soap. So friends, if you want to head over, the link is in the description box, and grab you up one of these today only. You will receive the free washcloth. God bless you, my friends. You're going to love these soaps. They're amazing. God bless you, my friends. Till next time, the link is in the description. God bless.